Did you know that Apple Maps has a feature so you don't need to be late and you don't need to guess whenever you have to leave to reach the destination? And this is super handy. For example, if you have to go to an airport or you have to go to dinner somewhere or you have to go somewhere else and you don't need to leave now, but you know that you have to be there at, for example, 2200 tonight, and now it's about 6:30. Well, then I can just open up the maps and then I can type in, for example, Stockholm in my case, and if I tap go, then I can see that it's going to take 1 hour and 37 minutes to go there, but that is if I'm leaving right now. But that's not what I would like to do. So instead I can tap now, and then I can take, for example, I would like to arrive by, and say that I have to be there tomorrow morning at, for example, 7:30. So then after setting the time, I can just take apply, and then I can see that I need to leave at 5:53 to be there in time. So follow for more Apple tips and tricks and tech in general.